guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a sort of 3-in-1 get ready with me video featuring DSoar hair, and I have worked with this company a couple times in the past. If you guys have paid attention to the ones that I have worked with, this is like one of the top maybe 5. So they did send over this transparent lace body wave wig, and I do have a video as I customize it and put it on my head and stuff. So that will probably be released a different day than this one, but the hair is really nice. So let me just talk about the packaging. So I got the hair via DHL in about, I'd say maybe 3 days, and it came in this box. Now the box got burn marks on it because when I was styling it, my bed is right here. I was in the camera and styling it, and I set it on top of there. I didn't think it would burn, but it did. So shipping took about 3 days. They included some little goodies with the order, just this bag, I guess maybe for wig storage. They included a bonnet, a satin bonnet. It's brown, it's not that bad. It's just kind of small in my head, but I got a kind of big head, so. But besides that, I believe they did put 2 wig caps in there also, and I probably used them. But this wig is actually everything. Not even just the wig, the lace is really nice on this. So I have had maybe 3, maybe 4 transparent lace wigs from different companies, and this one looks the best. Probably because the other transparent lace ones I had, I didn't bleach the knots. I did bleach the knots on this. I don't know how good my camera's picking it up. I might still have some crustiness from the Got To Be, but honey, the hair is still nice and the wig looks good for the most part. So this wig, it is their body wave one, and it's 22 inches. As far as density, I'm not sure actually. I'll have to ask once I send them this video or just send an email over. But so this wig is available in 10 through 26 inches, and that's really nice, the 26 inches, because honey, it's rare that you get wigs where you can have 26. Usually most machine made wigs are up to 24 inches. So I did get a medium cap, which is 22 and a half size wise, and the large is 22.7 to 23. So small is 21, medium 22, large 23, and it goes by your head size. Medium always kind of works for me. I've never gotten small from a company, or if I did, the small was just really hard to put on because my head is big. So pay attention to that. And they do have 4 different types. They have Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, and Indian. This one is, I believe it's Brazilian, and 22 inches. So if you guys were to get exactly what I got, it would be just under $200. So only $181, and their shipping is free. So you guys don't have to worry about that. But as far as customization, you guys will see in the other video that I do with this company what I did, but I do show how I styled it in this video. This is just a cute half up, half down I thought was cute. And don't go for me for the people who do makeup. I tried to do a cut crease and stuff, but it wasn't the best, but I still tried because I just was my makeup kind of always looks the same. It's kind of neutral with the overlined lips, the lip gloss, and just, the big lashes, no eyeshadow. I've never been that type of eyeshadow type of girl. That's why I was like, well, this is probably a good idea. So I don't want to talk too long, but back to the hair. I got sidetracked. There is minimal shedding. There is some tangling, but only because I slept in this wig maybe 2 or 3 times, and I don't recommend doing that. So lengthwise, stretched is about 24 on me. I am 5'3" or 4. I can't really remember. I think it's 5'3.5" though. I don't think I'm super tall. But the shorter you are, the longer your wigs fall on you. Even if they say they're one length, they will fall a little longer. So this hair can be straightened, it can be bleached, all that stuff. It is virgin hair, so I didn't straighten it yet, but I did wet it and I noticed there were waves, so that's a plus. If you want to just wet it and then let it air dry or something, I'm sure the curls will dry and look cute. So definitely check this wig out in the description. I'm not going to keep talking, so let's just hop into this. Get ready with me and see you guys in the next video. you.